Hi everyone. I'm gonna make a sea life, I guess, bracelet. Got a cute little shark and seashell and a crab and a seahorse, starfish, and a lobster, I guess it is. And I've got these beads. Already strung them on. So these are the bendy kind, so we'll have to loop them around and I'll show you how to do that. But I'm going to show you how to hook one of these on, and then I'll put the rest of them on. And then I'll be back and I'll show you how to do these. So I'm going to grab one of these jump rings. They're 5mm. They're really tiny for this, so, but I bought a huge bag of them, and I'm going to have to use them, I guess. But they are really, it's hard to get in there because you about need to hold both sides. So I'm going to put that about the center. And if you just hold it just right, and get enough in there, well, that didn't work. Try one more time. I might have to switch out some pliers because I need these sitting on it like that. I don't know that I can do them with those. Maybe hold it with that and get these flat ones in there and twist. Almost. I got it. Maybe I need 2 pairs of these. I don't have but 1 pair, so I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of these sea animals on, and then we'll come back and we'll work on this. And I don't know about that color with it. We'll see. I guess that looked like sand or something. I don't remember. Foam and different depths of ocean, maybe sand. Okay, I'll be back after I get these on. Hi everyone. I've got them all strung on there. I like the way it looks. That one's different. It makes a different sound than the rest of them. It's sort of hollow. So it might make a jingle to the bracelet. So these are that flimsy wire. So what we're going to do is we bend it back. We're taking it across like that. And we're going to open it up a little bit. We're going to find a spot on the same side that's our charms. And I'm not going to use jump rings on this. I guess I could, but I'm not going to. Bring that around and just pull it up a little bit. Ah. Pulled it right off the plier. Seems those wires are a little bit stronger than I thought they were. Maybe use these. Alright, and then I'm going to get my pliers. There, it came off. Anybody that knows anything about a set of pliers or a set of flush cutters that will cut steel, that you can get in these tight little spots without destroying the cutters, because these, you can see where I've been using them and they don't cut like they used to. There. Alright. And we can want it bent back a little bit. Just feel like this wire is it's flimsy. You see how it bends? And I think that you'd pull them off if I just clipped it here. So that's why I'm wanting to put them on like that. I'll put it here. And I'm going to hold it with this one like this. If I can get it in there the way I want it. And then use my finger to grab it. I'm going to have to pull it though. Okay, let's see if we can get in there and clip it. Pull it back just a Pull it back just a little bit so we can clip it, and then we'll push it back down. And we'll keep on going. Get some different, I figured that was sand and maybe coral or something. I'm trying to go with ocean colors, but I'll get the rest of these put on there. I'm not going to make you sit through that. And I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like. Hi everyone, I'm back. We've got this little ocean themed one done with the seashell and the shark and the fish and the seahorse and I guess a lobster, a starfish, and a crab. Yeah, I thought I'd do little simple things that give you ideas of different colors you can put with it. And sort of like making charm bracelets, but I don't like the small little rings, because the jump rings, they are tiny. Y'all, thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking out to the end. I know it's a little short one, but yeah, I made up a few of these, so I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.